Hey guys, today I want to go over the platform TradingView. It is one of the best tools you can use for a beginning investor. It's a platform that can serve multiple purposes for traders to help with their investments. And before we get into it, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, clicking subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new content. Remember, I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, I'm going over the free version of the platform. There are other plans you can upgrade to if you want more of these features, but what you get for free is plenty enough for a beginning investor or an intermediate investor. Just to go over what their plans are, you have a basic plan that is obviously the free plan. You pay nothing for it. And then you have the Pro plan, which is $14.95 a month. You have the Pro Plus plan, which is $29.95 a month. And the best value, what they're claiming, is the premium plan, and that is $59.95 per month. And as you can see from the screen, you can see all the features that each plan includes. If you want to know more information about it, I will leave a link in the description for the plans and features page. So I want to break down some of the features that this platform offers, and the first one I want to get into is the charts. One thing I have to say this platform does really well is their chart layouts. So the first thing you can do with the chart is you can create your own chart that is saved, and you can keep going back to it every day and nothing will change. It continually saves over time for any changes you make to it. You can only have one saved chart layout unless you upgrade to another plan, but personally I think one chart layout is plenty enough. So what I mean by a chart layout being saved is that every time you pretty much exit the chart or close down the platform or the web browser, all of your information is going to be there from last time. So one part I want to get into with the chart is the indicators. For the free version, you're able to add 3 indicators. If you want to add more, you're going to have to upgrade to a different plan. The indicators are there to help enhance your trading, and there are a bunch of different ones you can choose from. Some of the popular indicators that I use are the relative strength index, the trading volume, and also the simple moving average. And most of these indicators you can also customize as well if you want them to be a certain color, or if you want them to be a certain length or have a certain input, you can do that as well. On top of the indicators that I listed, you can also choose from the library of built-ins that TradingView offers. And you can also add other indicators from creators who made their own scripts. And you can also create your own script if you want. People usually create their own scripts if they're looking for something to specifically fit their need. Now, other than indicators, you can also change how your chart looks visually. You can change things like how the chart candles look, whether you want to have bars or you want candles or even just a line. It's totally up to you and you can change it. Another neat feature you can check out is the history of the stock. By being able to see the history, you can check the 1 day, the 5 day, the 1 month, the 6 month, the year to date, 1 year out, 5 years out, and then you have the option to see all of the history. And then on top of that, you can also change how long the candles last. You can choose from seconds, minutes, hours, days, and ranges as well. If you do want to see the seconds though, you're going to have to upgrade to a different plan and able to see that. Another thing you can do with the charts is you can add drawings to them. The drawings and tools there are used for more of a technical analysis. If you're looking to kind of make predictions, you're allowed to just kind of freehand draw on the chart wherever you'd like. Other than drawing, there are tools that are built in to help guide you to make better decisions with your trading. I'm not going to get into all the tools that they offer, but I'll show you a few of them. You can add things like the fib retracement, and you can also check out forecasts and price ranges. The list kind of goes on from there. Most of those tools are for more advanced users, but it's nice that they have them there for free users. Now the next part I want to get into is kind of the sidebar that TradingView has, and it includes a bunch of different features, and one of them I want to go over is their watch list. The watch list allows you to add as many ticker symbols as you need, and once you find the symbol you wanted and you add it to the watch list, you'll get a bunch of different information that you can choose from that you'd like to view. This information could range from the last price of the stock, the dollar change, percent change, the volume, and its extended hours. You are also able to add different ticker symbols from different markets, such as non-US markets and also cryptocurrency markets. With the watch list though, if you are using it for the free version, you're only able to add one watch list. If you want to upgrade, you can have as many watch lists as you want. Now I think having one watch list is completely fine, as you can add as many stocks to that list as you want. You are also able to add what's called a tag to one of these stock symbols in the watch list. Once you add one of those tags to a stock in the list, you will create a separate tag list. You are only able to have one of those tag lists for the free version. And of course, if you upgrade, then you're not subject to that. But like I said, most beginner and intermediate investors don't need that. Now from the watch list, you can also see a bunch of other information like the days range or the 52-week range, You can also see other information like the key stats, the performance, and also the technicals. And on the sidebar, there are other features that you can use like the built-in calendar. The calendar will show you a bunch of different stocks that have upcoming earnings. It'll show you what day the earnings are meant to come out on and what the earnings estimates are. And the last part I want to go over with the sidebar is the alerts you can add. You are able to add alerts which can be used for any stock. All you need is a stock symbol, and you can set the conditions that meet your needs in terms of where maybe a stock crosses a specific threshold, and you can set the alert to go off every time it happens or just once. You can also add an expiration date to the alert if you don't need it to go on forever. Now, I didn't go over every feature that TradingView does offer. These are all the tools I personally use and I think are helpful to beginning investors and intermediate investors. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what your favorite stock chart platform is, or whatever trading platform you use to chart. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, click subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new content. Remember, I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, if you're interested, I do have a monthly giveaway. If you want to know more information about it, check out the details in the description below.